Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm Rizza. Thanks for sharing this lovely holiday with me here on Tagalog Fun. I hope you are having a merry and bright Christmas. In the Philippines, Christmas is one of a kind. When it comes to traditions, there's nothing quite like the parol to reflect the Filipino character. The word parol is derived from the Spanish word farol, which means lantern or light. There's no greater symbol of the Filipino Christmas spirit than the parol. Parol is a traditional Filipino Christmas decoration. It is star-shaped with 5 points. The parol is traditionally made of thin bamboo frames and covered with colored cellophane or with rice paper, also known as papel de Japón or Japanese paper, and a candle illuminates it. An iconic symbol of Filipino Christmas spirit, this Christmas lantern can have either a simple design or an intricate one. Today, the parols evolved into more brightly lit Christmas ornaments. These lanterns boast of intricate geometric patterns, and materials used today include kapis shells. Elaborate lights have become more popular, including dancing lights that make the intricacy all the more impressive. The history of the parol can be traced back during the Spanish era in the Philippines, a time where the Spaniards brought Christianity to the islands. Parols were used to light the way to church for those who attended the 9-day simbang gabi or night mass. Among Filipinos, parol making and hanging them outside their homes is a representation of the Star of Bethlehem that guided the 3 wise men on their way in search of baby Jesus in the manger. Throughout the Christmas season, these lanterns can be found hanging outside homes and along the streets of cities, towns, farms, villages, and now all over the world where a Filipino family member may reside. Parol has become the most recognizable Christmas ornament where there is a Filipino community. The parol uplifts the spirit, instills a sense of pride and hope. It is sure to brighten everyone's Christmas. I find it a blessing that you've joined me today here on Tagalog Fun. Do subscribe so you don't miss out on gaining knowledge about the Filipino culture and learning Tagalog. A blessed Christmas and a Happy New Year to you and your family.